at that time, no Jewish kids were allowed in the community schools. And this was, of course, a Jewish school entirely. The faculty was Jewish. Only one non-Jewish teacher. That was German. He taught German, and that is worthy of note because I've always thought it reflected something about the two cultures. The Jewish culture, though the bodily health is important, it is not raised to the highest level of value. That's a German value, particularly in Hitler's days. So I imagine that he was hired. I'm sure they could have had a Jewish, or maybe not, a Jewish gym teacher.